Hey guys, want to turn your words into music? Sonauto AI is a free online tool that lets you create songs from text. Just type in what you want and it makes the music for you. It's like magic. Let's start with simple mode. Just type in a description of the song you want, for example, an upbeat pop song about summer vacation. Click generate and Sonauto AI will create a few different versions for you to preview. Pick the one you like the best. Want more control? Go to the advanced mode. Here you can choose specific styles like rock, EDM, or combine genres. You can even add your own lyrics or create instrumental tracks. To add lyrics, turn on custom lyrics and paste your own lyrics or have the AI write the lyrics for you. Sonauto AI also lets you edit and extend your songs. Click edit, then extend, and you can add an intro, outro, or build onto existing sections. There is also in painting to upload any song and change specific lyrics. Just highlight the part you want to change, type in the new lyrics, and Sonauto AI will seamlessly blend them in. Happy with your song? Click download to download the audio file. Now you can share your music with the world. Sonauto AI makes music creation easy for everyone. Head to sonauto.ai and start creating.